Remove all infested mulch and wood debris immediately to cut termite food sources and boost the effectiveness of your post-construction chemical treatment. Start by identifying the infested material with careful visual inspection for mud tubes, frass, or hollow-sounding wood, and use a stiff rake and shovel to remove the suspect mulch and any nearby construction scrap. Bag and dispose of the removed material off-site or in sealed heavy-duty bags to prevent reintroduction, and do not pile it near the foundation while you work. Replace removed mulch with non-wood ground cover, such as gravel, stone, or a weed barrier with decorative rock kept at least 6 inches away from siding to maintain a dry perimeter. If you choose to use mulch elsewhere, select non-infested, aged material and store it in a contained area like a sealed bin or on a raised pallet so it cannot contact the house. Keep firewood and lumber well away from the foundation and elevated so termites cannot bridge from soil to stored wood. Coordinate these physical changes with your licensed pest professional so chemical barriers or bait systems are applied to intact soil zones after debris removal for the best combined effect. A common mistake is removing only the visible top layer of mulch and leaving contaminated material underneath, which lets termites persist, so dig down to sound soil and remove all discolored or moist organic matter. Another issue is storing replacement mulch and firewood adjacent to the house, which creates immediate re-exposure, so always keep stored wood and fresh mulch at a clear distance and on elevated, contained platforms. Homeowners sometimes assume chemical treatment alone is sufficient, but without removing accessible food sources, colony pressure remains. So pair removal and non-wood replacement with professional chemical applications for long-term control. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners locate local contractors experienced with post-construction termite treatment and debris removal, and provide a discussion community where people and pros exchange tips and experiences. We make it easy for contractors to find work by connecting them with nearby projects and homeowners looking for services, and our community forum supports practical advice on preventing future infestations.